This will be little bit problematic kind of question because to think about it that is difficult. So let us make it easier. The sum of the digit of the two digit number is 9. यानी कि सपोज करते हैं कि कोई दो डिजिट नंबर है लाइक 5 and 4 and if we are adding it we are getting sum as 9. So इस तरह के कोई दो डिजिट है और अगर हम उनका सम कर रहे हैं we are getting 9. Means we are not knowing that this exactly digit is 5 or 4. We can make combination of any number like 7 plus 2, so it will also become 9. So one digit will be 7 and another digit will be 2. So here what they said, the sum of the digit of the two digit number, यानी कि ये एक टू डिजिट नंबर है लाइक 72 और अगर हम उनका सम कर रहे हैं तो हमें आंसर मिल रहा है 9. So here first we have to form and guess it in the form of x and y because we are not knowing that it is exactly 5, that is y is exactly 4 or x is exactly 7 or y is 7. We are not knowing anything. We are just knowing that by adding that two digit number final combination we are getting it as 9. So here we have to guess that let the digit at units place that is x. यानी यहाँ पे अगर ये 2 है वो यूनिट प्लेस पे है और ये टेंस प्लेस पे है. सो हमने गैस किया कि सपोज इफ इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x, so the let guess the digit which is let the digit at ones place, tens place is y. So how this will form? So it will become, here we can write units also, here we can write ones place also. So if it is 72, so it is in the form of 70 plus 2. So here we can write this one as x, but if you want to write y, we have to write it in the form of 10y because 10 is always multiplying over there. Because it is in the form of 10 into 7, then only 70 will form, and 70 plus 2, then only 72 will form. So here what we are guessing, whatever is at y's place means y, we have to multiply it by 10. So here let me write that the digit will become, so the digit is 10y plus x. Now let us read this statement. Then they said the sum of the digit of the two digit number is 9. Means when we are adding x plus y, that is becoming 9 and that is our equation number 1. Now we are reading second statement, that is 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. यानी अगर ओरिजिनल नंबर इस फॉर्म में है तो बाय रिवर्सिंग इट, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, लेट मी टेल यू दैट आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग दिस व्हाट विल हैपन. सो आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग द डिजिट means on a tens place x will come and on a ones place y is going, then the digit will reverse. Suppose it was 72, so now it is becoming 20 plus 7 यानी 27. So this will happen. Then what is happening, 9 times the number, यानी अगर ये वाला number और we are comparing this reversing number, what is happening, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing. यानी कि ये अगर 9 times है तो नया वाला जो reverse number है वो उससे 2 गुना है. Then what is happening, let us simplify it. So it will become 90y and this will become 9x and that will become 20x and that is becoming 2y. We have multiplied all these things like this. Now we are taking x one side and y one side, so let us take, so let me take 2 this side, so it will become 90y minus 2y and this is becoming 20x minus 9x. So what is happening, 90 minus 2y, that will become 88y and 20 minus 9 will become 11x. So if you wants to reduce it, we have to take 11 this side, so it will become 11 down and x will remain as it is. 11 8 are 88. So here we are getting 8y is equals to x. That's why our equation is in this form, x is equals to 8y, and that is our equation number 2. Now what they said, this is the question of elimination method. So we have to use elimination method to solve this. So we having two equations. Our first equation is in the form of x plus y is equals to 9, and our second equation is in this form, x is equals to 8y. So what is happening, we have to take 8y this side, so it will become minus 8y, and no constant is there, so we will write 0 over there. Now what is the process, we just have to change the sign. So if I am changing the sign, so it will become minus and this will become plus, and no need to change the sign of 0 because 0 not having any sign. So here this is plus and this is minus, they both will cut out. It is 8 plus 1, it will become 9 now. 9 minus 0 or 9 plus 0, it will filter out and it will look like 9 only. Then y is equals to 9 by 9, so 9 ones are 9. So we got value of y is equals to 1. Now this is our equation 3, or this is the value of y that we can substitute in any equation. We can substitute in 1 also and 2 also, but as I can see 2 is more simplified, so I will substitute this value in 2. So let me write that, substitute value of y in 2. So how it look? So x is equals to 8y. So on the place of y I have to write 1. So here I got the answer as 8 ones are 8. So value of x I got as 8 and value of y I got as 1. So here they said that find that number, means we have to find that number 2. So अगर हमने original number को, means that digit we have guessed in the form of 10y plus x. So let me write that statement that the digit is let me write over here that the digit is in the form of 10y plus x. So on the place of y I have to write 1 and on the place of x I have to write 8. So what is happening? So it will become 10 ones are 10 plus 8. So required number is 80, and when we are reversing that, it will become 81. So this is the concept of this question, that you have to guess it in the form of simple x and y, then you have to divide in the form of ones place and tens place, then you have to do it reverse. Wherever it is useful, you have to use it, then you can find x and y and you can find the digit also. We read the question number 4. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. यानी उसे 500 के नोट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. She only needs 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. मीना got 25 notes all together. यानी उसे 25 नोट ही मिले. नाउ हमें डिसाइड करना है कि उन 25 में से 50 रुपीज़ के कितने होंगे और 100 रुपीज़ के नोट्स कितने होंगे. फाइंड हाउ मेनी नोट्स ऑफ रुपीज़ 50 and 100 she received. But after reading this statement, we can't form two equations because here we can see only one statement. So here we have to guess. So let me guess that let the 50 rupees note, यानी one note, that is bx, and let the 100 rupees one note, that will be of y. If number of notes are x and number of notes are y, then what is happening? Meena went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked cashier to give her 50 and 100 rupees note. तो 50 रुपीज़ नोट को हमने x के फॉर्म में गैस किया है और 100 रुपी नोट को हमने y के फॉर्म में गैस किया है. नंबर ऑफ नोट्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, not the amount. So then what is happening? After adding that both, she is getting 2000 rupees. So this is our equation number 1. Now let me read the second statement. Then what is happening? Meena got 25 notes in all. यानी उसे 25 नोट्स मिलके इकट्ठा होके मिले हैं, यानी टोटल नोट्स आए हैं जो है 25. यानी नाउ हाउ वी विल फॉर्म दिस इक्वेशन. Here as you can see, we will read this question. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes. यानी ये X notes और Y notes add होके she is getting 25 notes all together, and that will be our equation number 1. So how we will form the another equation? तो हमने बोला है कि 50 रुपीज़ के X नोट जब वो ले रही है और 100 रुपीज़ के वो Y नोट ले रही है, then she is getting 2000 rupees. So that will be our equation number 2. So this is how we can form these both equations. Now here we can take common and we can reduce this also. So if I am taking 50 common from this, so it will become X. 50 to the 100, so this will become 2Y. And now we have to divide this, means if we are taking out 50 from this 2000, so what we will get? So let me guess it. 5 4s are 20. Watch it here. 5 4s are 20. This 0 and that extra 0 means here what will remain? 40 will remain. If you having any query, you can do it in rough, that 40 into 50, 2 zeros and 5 4s are 20, so it will make 2000. So this is how we will cut this 50. So we are getting equation x plus 2y is equals to 40, and now we will give it as equation number 2. Now we have to do elimination method. So let me write. So it will become x plus y is equals to 25 and x plus 2y is equals to 40. We have to do change the sign. So let me do it. So it will become minus 2 plus 1, so it will become y, but the symbol of the greater number will be minus. 40 minus 25, because 40 is in minus and 25 is in plus. So here what will remain? So here 15 will remain, and the symbol of the greater number, that will be minus 15. Minus minus will cut out and y is equals to 15. That we have to substitute in any equation. So let me substitute that in equation number 1 only. So let me write that substitute value of y in equation 1. So it will look like x plus y is equals to 25. So x we are finding. So on the place of y I will write 15 and it is equals to 25. So x is equals to 25. This 15 goes here and it will become minus. If we are subtracting 25 minus 15, we are getting 10 over here. So यहाँ से हमें ये पता चला कि बैंक पर्सन gave her 10 notes of 50. यानी अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं that is 50 rupees के x note means 50 rupees के 10 notes. So we are getting 500 rupees, and we got y as 15. So 100 rupees के 15 notes means y notes, and if we are doing it in rough, so are we getting 2000? Means my point of view is that after checking this, are we getting total as 2000? That is the rough work. This is only for extra knowledge. So if we are getting 1500, and when we are getting x plus y यानी 25 नोट्स काउंट करेंगे तो मनी के फॉर्म में वो 2000 हो जाएंगे. So this is the end of the question. Find how many notes of 50. So we are getting, these are 50 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, and here we are getting 100 rupees notes. So here we got 10 notes of 50 rupees and 15 notes of 100 rupees, and we are making it as 2000.